Here at the Surgery Center at Pelham, customer satisfaction is our priority. It started with revolutionizing the total hip and knee replacement process. Now we're taking it a step further with our new transparent pricing system. Go online to thesurgerycenter@pelham.com. There, you'll see our online cost estimate tool. Just tell us what kind of procedure you're interested in. We'll give you a quote so you know exactly how much the procedure will cost. No hidden fees, just an honest, transparent price. Click on Get an Online Cost Estimate. Select the category of the procedure. Type in a procedure. Enter your insurance information, or you can get a cash price. Click View Cost Estimate. This will give you a printout of the estimated total due, a 20% pay now discount, and the total amount due on the day of your surgery. The Surgery Center at Pelham. High quality treatment at an affordable price. Visit us online today.